Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is your host Inam and you are watching Electrical Engineering Hub by Engineer Inam. So students, from this video I'm going to start a new series which is about IoT, means Internet of Things. And students, in this whole series we are going to discuss not theoretically but practically about IoT. Means what is IoT, how it works, and how we will send our census data to the cloud. And the very much important thing is that how we will control our devices, means home appliances, through the internet. So students, this whole series is going to be very much interesting and I hope you will like this video and you will like this series too. So students, if you like this video, kindly thumbs up this video and share this video. So before wasting any time, let's get started. So students, the controller which I use in this whole series is Nodemcu. It is very much important controller in IoT, means Internet of Things. The main aspect of this is that it has inbuilt Wi-Fi module. There is no need of external Wi-Fi module, and with the help of this inbuilt Wi-Fi module we can not only store data in the cloud but also we can control all our devices and home appliances through the internet. And the second biggest advantage of this Nodemcu is that it runs in Arduino program or Arduino Ide software, which is very much user friendly. So it is like Arduino like device, and the main component is ESP8266, which means it has inbuilt Wi-Fi module, and it has programmable pins, and we can power and program this Nodemcu via USB, and it is also very much economical. Now we are going to discuss pinout configuration of this Nodemcu. First of all, the main unit of Nodemcu is ESP8266 Wi-Fi chip. Through this chip we can connect with Wi-Fi or internet and communicate the data. After that we have total 9 digital pins from D0 to D8. These pins only give us high or low value according to the requirement. We can connect LEDs, relay modules, LCDs, IR sensors, etc. After that we have TX and RX, mean transmission and receive pin for serial communication. We can connect here Bluetooth module or GSM module here. And we have also power supply pins here, an analog pin. There is only one analog pin in this Nodemcu used for analog input. And now friends, on left side all these pins S0 to S3, these are used to connect external peripheral like memory or external RAM. These pins cannot be used for input or output. And after that we have a pin VIN. It is input power supply. We can power on Nodemcu from here. And at last we have our programming port. We can connect it with a data cable. So this is all about the hardware about the Nodemcu. Now moving towards the software part, as I told you earlier, the software that we are going to use is Arduino Ide Software. So students, this is our Arduino Ide software. First of all we need to select the board in which we are going for working. Just follow these steps. Go to file, select the preference, and you need to paste this link here. How you get this link? This link is given in description. When you download the description file, you have basically these three options. When you download it, it's basically in WinZip file. You have to extract this file. Just wait a minute. Now this link is given in basically here. You need to copy this link and paste here. After that go to tools and select the board and board manager, and after that you have to write here ESP8266. As you can see, it is already installed in my software, so you have to install it before you can use this ESP module in the software. After that, after the installation, go to tools again and board, and now go to this option and select Nodemcu 1.0 ESP12E module. Now as we can see, the Nodemcu board is installed and selected. Now what we have to do is to just write the program and run it on Nodemcu. So this is all in this introductory video. In the next video we will discuss the practical examples. So that's all. Students, take care. Allah Hafiz.